Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an invitation letter for visa. What is the meaning of visa invitation letter? The purpose of a visa invitation letter is to ensure the host country that you will not stay there illegally after your visa has expired. The writer of the letter must provide their contact address, confirming that you will be staying with them during your trip. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a visa invitation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your personal information. You can write your full name or your company name or your organization name. And then, write the address of the office of the organization or company. You need to mention the city, state, and zip code as well. And don't forget to write the phone number of the office. For the modern style, you can write those information as a header of the letter. After that, write the date today. In this case is December 20th, 2023. And then, write the details of the recipient. Write the full name of the recipient. And write the company or university of the recipient. For the next, write also the address of the office. Again, don't forget to mention the city, state, and zip code. Now, you may open the visa invitation letter with Dear Mr. or Ms. followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can tell why you are writing this letter. In this case, you are inviting the recipient for business visa. So, write when the business partners meeting will be held. You need to write the date of the meeting, as well as the place. In the second paragraph, ask the recipient to arrange the travel to your company. Mention that you have notified this information to the recipient's company. And tell the recipient that your company will take care of the lodging and boarding during his or her stay in your country. In the third paragraph, state that your administration office will be in touch with the recipient regarding the travel plan. And mention that your company has sent a visa request for the recipient for this trip. And the last, offer the recipient to ask anything. And show your excitement to meeting the recipient. Finally, close the invitation letter with sincerely. Write your full name and your position in the company. Write the company name, and don't forget to attach your signature. So, that's how you write an invitation letter for business visa. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. See you.